69% of American homeowners regret buying a home. So this comes from a Newsweek article just released a few days ago. Tens of thousands of Americans who recently purchased a home say that they wish they didn't because of financial strain and unexpected costs of maintaining a home. Now, I'm not really sure who exactly they surveyed, because most clients who we have helped recently seem like they're very happy with their decision. So I did some more research to find out what are some of the top reasons for why these homeowners have a bitter taste of what we still call the American dream. And here's what I found out. At the very top of the list was homeowners insurance. That's right. We all know that this still is a major issue, especially here in California. Premiums have skyrocketed, and some insurers are no longer doing business here. Then there's HOA and Mello-Roos fees. So if you recently bought a property, a home in newly developed areas such as Roseville or Lincoln here in the Sacramento region, even if you're not in a community where there is homeowners association, you still are responsible for paying the Mello-Roos fees. What are the Mello-Roos fees and what do they cover? Well, they pay for new public infrastructure, things like parks, schools, libraries, and so on. And yes, your realtor should have informed you about that. And by the way, one of the most common mistakes that I see new home buyers make when they're looking to buy a house is usually they compare their current rent payment to their estimated mortgage payment without thinking about other monthly expenses that a homeowner must pay for. I'm talking about home maintenance, repairs, insurance premiums, and some of the utilities that maybe right now are covered by their landlord. The correct way to do this is sit down and add up all the costs associated with owning your home. And then you can compare what you're paying right now as a renter. And that's the difference between a great real estate agent and an average realtor whose focus is their commission check. You know, being in this business for over 13 years now, I would say that the most important role of a realtor is to educate the buyer and provide guidance that will first benefit their client. We've seen this many times. So a buyer gets too excited about buying a house, but there are some blind spots, and that's where real professionals will point those out and show them the full picture instead of just sugarcoating everything. So whenever I talk to a home buyer, I have to notice that they are very emotional and excited. And my responsibility is to shine light on the logical side of the process. And most of the time, they appreciate that. But what it also does, it minimizes the potential of any future regrets because their decision was made with full transparency. So if we go back to this Newsweek article, most likely the new homeowners who said that they regret buying a home probably didn't get the full picture prior to their purchase. And for most people, buying a house is a very important decision, and it should not be taken lightly or influenced only by emotion. You can't just wing this. And of course, it's definitely worth hiring a realtor who prioritizes their clients' needs instead of focusing on getting their commission check and moving on to the next client. With the right approach and full transparency, regrets can be and should be minimized. So if you found this video valuable, please share it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any other similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching.